Steve was not even letting the Undertaker speak. And all instead of what is going on around here? And all instead in the building here tonight. So I'm here right now, about to head home, and just know that you may as well just go home now and save yourself from the embarrassment I'm about to put you through. And you, I don't know what the hell you think you are, of tagging my damn ATV, my little, what do you call it? Damn it, my fourth wheeler in the damn parking lot, you son of a bitch. It says American Badass all over my fourth wheeler. Boy, I don't know what the hell you're talking about. But you better lower your tone at me before you do something you fully regret. I didn't tag your little piece of shit fourth wheeler. I don't give a damn about that damn fourth wheeler. I didn't come here to watch you be cute and dance around this ring. I don't give a damn. Right now I'm gonna raise some hell. Raise some hell right now, because I know I got a match at SummerSlam, but I don't mind having another match and kicking your ass and kind of whoop ass on a dead bitch at SummerSlam. I'm not leaving until you pretty much confess, for you to apologize, for you to get rid of that damn pain, and for you to know that I am not playing no games. Well, I'm not playing no games either. Like I said, you better lower your damn tone at me, because I need to do. You know what? I don't mind kicking your ass. Like I said, to be a man right now, I pretty much jack you up right now. And playing these little games. You think I'm gonna be playing those little games and tagging your little fourth wheeler right now? I don't mind pretty much whooping your little Texas, pretty much your little rattlesnake ass all over this ring. I came out here because I know what I'm worth, and now I see what you're worth. And you're worth full of dog shit, full of crap. I want to raise some hell, so might as well. Like I said, I'm going to beat the living hell out of you. If you want me to kick the dead man's ass, give me a hell yeah. And like I said, we can make a stipulation and make the first raise hell match in history at SummerSlam, because you, like I said, perhaps you haven't been paying attention, but I just want to warn you, like I said, you're making a big damn mistake of blaming me. And you're just gonna rest in peace. Like I said, I'm gonna drag your ass to hell with me. And like I said, I don't mind, like I said, what I'm gonna do and pretty much injure your neck. Just know, watching you run your mouth is like that reminds me of those Japanese monster movies they dubbed into English. And just know that I am a stupid son of a bitch, but I'm a tough son of a bitch. And just know that pretty much. And just know that you never, ever was a Texan. Have you been the Rock's bitch for the past couple of months? I'm glad you got the balls to be on my face, but right now, like I said, I'm gonna end that damn drunk.
Because you got it all wrong again. We ain't gonna be in any position playing you two at backlash.
And like I said, Why we gotta wait until SummerSlam? Why don't